Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make a radish and shrimp curry. This curry is from my mom recipe, and this is spicy and so delicious with the radish and shrimp combination. It's so delicious, friend, and we're doing many years this curry, and it's simply our traditional recipe. So let's see what you need to make this delicious curry. So first is the tempering. Is a fenugreek seed, about half teaspoon, onion, garlic, curry leaves, just having about accordingly. For the spices is a curry masala, salt, cumin powder and turmeric powder. Shrimp about 200 to 300 grams. Tamarind juice or extract about 2 tablespoons, coconut milk about 1/4 cup, coriander leaf for the garnishing, chopped tomato about half cup radish. So today we have that Chinese radish. It's a really penguin flavor and little spicy, and this radish really goes so well with the shrimp curry, and then is little sweeter too. So first we need to peel the skin. So just peel the skin. It's so thin skin, you can peel it, and once you peel it, and we're going to slice thin slices, friend. So I'm just take off all the bottom side and going to slice thin slices, so it's really easily cook, and always cut in the same size. So just slice as thin you can. So naturally radish is having high nutritious value, and is really good for many body health, and you can make it different varieties from this delicious radish. So in a pot I just add about 2 teaspoon oil. Once you add it, and we're going to tempering. So basically to make the seafood we always use the fenugreek seed only, and once you splattering, and we can add that chopped onion, garlic and curry leaf. So it smells already good, the fenugreek having own aroma, and once you add the garlic, onion and curry leaf, it so smells so yummy here, and give a nice saute until it is sweat, and you can see that it's giving nice change in the bit. It will reduce. So once it's little cooked, then we can add it salt, and it will cook faster. So once it's little brown, and I'm adding that radish. So again, radish having a high nutritious value, is considered as a superfood. So always consume radish in your diet as much you can. And I'm adding a tomato. So tomato is as a thickening agent, and it really give that base on for the curry. So give a saute until all sweat and nicely, and I'm adding a lid and cook for some time before I'm adding the liquid. So now I'm adding the curry powder. Curry powder is a fish curry powder, or it's a 2 part of coriander powder, 1 part of chili powder, and turmeric powder, and then cumin powder. So just give a nice saute. Now we can add a liquid about 1 cup water. So the water need to be added, so it will easily cook all that the vegetable and then the curry. So let cook up for the 5 minutes until all the masala will raw smell will goes, and the radish will cook fine nicely, and it will soften quickly once you put the lid on. Let's see, after 5 minutes it's already done. It's nice boiling condition. It smells so good, and then because the radish having own fragrance and flavor, It's really give that the unique flavor, and it's so good with the shrimp. So I'm just add the shrimp going to quickly cook, so we just going to cook about 2 minutes. And now I'm adding the coconut milk. So coconut milk is optional, and again I'm adding a little bit more water. I like little liquid consistent, so it's up to you. If you want the thicker, you can add less water. So let it cook 1-2 minutes, and now it's ready, friends. So you can see and smells so good. The whole house really smells so yummy, and the shrimps cooked nicely, perfectly. So again, friend, the radish having so much nutritious value, have mineral, vitamin C, fiber, vitamin B, K, and it's really useful for many, treating jaundice, protect liver, gallbladder from the infections, treat infection in the kidney, urinary system, and also help the weight loss and keep your body hydrated, and prevent the cardiovascular disease, improve immunity system, and so many friend. Is basically radish is very friendly for our stomach and colon, so it's really good, and it's really having lot of nutrition value and for the skin itself. So friend, you can enjoy anyway. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.